All right, I got this word problem here. So it says I'm dealing with power in parallel, calculating power in parallel circuits. So 6 light bulbs are connected in parallel across 120 volts. Each bulb is rated at 75 watts. How much current is through each bulb, and what is the total current? This is kind of tricky if you don't think about it. Okay, so I'm gonna work backwards. They give you the power, which is 75 watts for each light bulb. So using a power equation, which is P total power, or just P of X, if you're just calculating one bulb first, because this was a current through each bulb, so I'm going to calculate it individually. Anyways, it's the same thing. P is the same as formulas. So V source square over R. But then we just call it R of X because we're not doing total yet. We're going to isolate each branch, basically, each bulb individually. So we call P of X equals VAS squared over R of X. So plug in 75 watts. We have the 120 volt source, that's squared, divided by R, which is, we don't know. We don't know what the resistance of the bulb is. Actually, I could have done the other formula. P equals I squared times R. No, you couldn't use P equals I squared times R because we don't have current or resistance. So we had to use this one, the voltage, because it's given the voltage. Sorry. Anyways, so I calculate that out. 120 squared divided by 75 watts is 192 ohms. Is that right? Let's double check. My work, 120 squared. Yep, divided by 75 watts. Yeet. So that was 192 ohms. So from that, that's the resistance of each light bulb, the filament basically, and then how much current is through each bulb. So we could use Ohm's law. We have V equals, so we have current, no, we need current. So it's I equals V over, I equals V over R, right? Because V equals IR, divide both sides by R, and then you're left with current of the bulb, or current of X, or B your bulb, or whatever. So we plug in 120 volts, resistance 192 ohms, 120 to, this is getting quite tedious, divided by 192. We got 0.625 amps, which is 625 milliamps to each bulb. I guess that's right. Let's see if I'm right. That's just one bulb. Should be 625 amps, right? No, 625 milliamps, but that seems kind of low for a light bulb. What is half an amp? That's about right. Number 20. Yep, 0.625. 25. Huh, did it in the first try.